Unlock the power to shop smarter on eBay with Clearpay, splitting payments without the stress. Ready to grab that must-have item on eBay without breaking the bank upfront? Let's dive into how you can use Clearpay to spread the cost of your purchases. First, head over to eBay and find the item you've been eyeing, whether it's a unique vintage find, a practical everyday item, or that collectible you've been searching for. eBay has a vast selection. Once you've found your item and are ready to buy, proceed to the checkout process as you normally would on eBay. During the payment stage, you'll see a list of available payment methods. Look for the Clearpay option if Clearpay is available for your order. It will be clearly displayed here. Simply select Clearpay as your preferred payment method. If this is your first time using Clearpay, you might be prompted to create an account or log into your existing Clearpay account. This is a quick and easy process. Clearpay allows you to split your purchase into 4 equal, interest-free installments. You'll see a clear breakdown of these payment dates and amounts right on the screen, so you know exactly when each payment is due. Review your order details one last time, confirm your installment plan, and then complete the purchase. And that's it, your item is purchased, and you can now enjoy your new item while managing your payments over time. Happy shopping!